Ever wonder why schools never taught you how money really works? You're not alone. In this video, we'll reveal the financial truths schools skip and how you can take control of your wealth. The real secret isn't just good grades or a steady job, it's financial literacy. We'll break down debt investing mindset and passive income, giving you the tools to build real wealth. Whether you have $100 or $100,000, these principles apply. Get ready, class is in session, and this lesson could change your life. Let's get real for a moment, shall we? Let's talk about something that affects every single one of us, regardless of our background, our aspirations, or our current circumstances. It's a topic that's often overlooked, yet it's absolutely crucial for navigating the complexities of modern life. I'm talking about financial literacy, or rather the distinct lack of it that the traditional education system seems to perpetuate. It's a glaring omission, a fundamental piece of the puzzle that's consistently left out of the curriculum. We spend years learning about history, literature, and science, but when it comes to managing our money, we're often left to fend for ourselves. Think back for a second. When was the last time you had a formal lesson about budgeting? I mean, a real in-depth exploration of how to create a budget that actually works for you, how to track your spending, and how to make informed financial decisions? Or what about investing? Did your school ever offer a course on the stock market, on mutual funds, on the different investment strategies that are available to you? Did they teach you about risk tolerance, diversification, and the importance of long-term financial planning? Probably never. And that's the problem. We're sent out into the world armed with knowledge about quadratic equations and the periodic table, but woefully unprepared to handle our own finances. The reality is, schools are primarily designed to train us to be employees, to fit into the existing workforce. They focus on skills that are valued by employers, skills that will help us get a job and earn a living. But they often neglect the skills that are necessary to become wealth builders, to create our own financial security, and to achieve true financial independence. They teach you how to earn a paycheck, how to show up on time, and how to follow instructions. But they don't necessarily teach you what to do with that paycheck once you have it. They don't teach you how to save, how to invest, how to manage debt, or how to plan for the future. Now, this isn't some grand conspiracy theory. It's not about blaming anyone or pointing fingers, it's simply a huge gaping hole in our education system, a critical missing piece that leaves so many people feeling lost and overwhelmed when it comes to their finances. So, if you're sitting there feeling unprepared, feeling like you're not equipped to handle the financial challenges that life throws your way, please know that you're definitely not alone. Millions of people share that same feeling of uncertainty and anxiety when it comes to money. But the good news is that you can take charge of your financial destiny. You can take control of your financial education. It's time to empower yourself, to seek out the knowledge and resources that you need to build a solid financial foundation. Don't waste your energy blaming the system for what it didn't teach you. Instead, empower yourself to learn what truly matters, to acquire the skills and knowledge that will enable you to achieve your financial goals. The amazing thing is that everything you need is readily available right at your fingertips, and often, it's completely free. There are countless online courses, articles, books, and resources that can help you learn about budgeting, saving, investing, and all aspects of personal finance. So, let's make a conscious decision to shift from frustration and helplessness to proactive action and empowerment. Let's take that first step, right now, and start building the financial future that you deserve. It's time to take control and create a brighter tomorrow. Here's a tough truth. Schools don't teach you to make money, but they do teach you to accept debt. Student loans and credit cards are presented as normal, but the real cost is rarely explained. The wealthy use debt as a tool to build assets, not as a trap. If you don't understand debt, it can hold you back for years. Learn the difference between good debt that builds wealth and bad debt that drains it. Mastering this is key to breaking free and building real security. Mindset is everything. If you believe money is evil or out of reach, you'll sabotage your own success. Schools teach facts, not beliefs. But wealthy people think differently. They see money as a tool, not something to fear or hoard. They look for opportunities, not obstacles. Adopting an abundance mindset lets you take smart risks and think bigger. Start noticing your thoughts about money. Are they helping or hurting you? Shifting your mindset is the foundation of wealth. To build wealth and achieve true financial security, it's not enough to simply earn a salary. You must learn to invest your money wisely and strategically. Investing is the engine that drives wealth creation over time. It's about making your money work for you, rather than the other way around. Schools teach you to work diligently for money, focusing on earning a paycheck. But they often neglect to teach you the crucial skill of how to make that money work for you, generating passive income and building long-term wealth. Investing, in its various forms, whether it's carefully selecting stocks, acquiring real estate properties, or building successful businesses from the ground up, is the key to unlocking true financial freedom and achieving your long-term financial goals. It's about creating a future where your money works for you, providing security and opportunity. Compound interest, the ability of an asset to generate earnings, which are then reinvested in order to generate their own earnings, can turn even small, consistent investments made over time into a substantial fortune thanks to the power of exponential growth. The earlier you start investing, even with small amounts, the more time your money has to grow and compound, leading to significantly larger returns in the long run. You don't need a lot of money to begin investing. What you need is the knowledge to make informed decisions and the willingness to take action. Open a brokerage account online. It's easier than ever. Start with small investments that you're comfortable with and let your money work diligently for you, generating income and building wealth while you focus on other aspects of your life. This is the fundamental lesson about wealth creation that schools should have prioritized and taught to every student. Earning money isn't enough. The wealthy build passive income streams. Schools focus on active income work, get paid, repeat. But true freedom comes from assets that generate money while you sleep. Think rental properties, dividend stocks, online businesses, or royalties. Build the system once and let it pay you over and over. Passive income lets you choose how to spend your time. Start small, plant the seeds now for a future where your assets pay for your lifestyle. That's the real path to financial independence. Budgeting often gets a bad rap. People think it's all about deprivation and saying no to everything you enjoy. But that couldn't be further from the truth. Budgeting isn't about restriction, it's about freedom. It's about making conscious choices about where your money goes so you can spend it on the things that truly matter to you. It's about empowering yourself to live the life you want. Schools rarely teach it, and that's a real problem. Financial literacy is a crucial life skill, yet it's often overlooked in traditional education. And if they do, it's all about sacrifice. They focus on cutting back and scrimping and saving, which can feel incredibly restrictive and unsustainable in the long run. But a budget is just a plan for your money, a roadmap for where you want it to go. It's not about deprivation, it's about intention. It's about giving you control and clarity. When you know where your money is going, you feel more in charge of your financial life. It helps you prioritize what matters, the things that bring you joy and fulfillment. Maybe it's travel, exploring new cultures and creating lasting memories, or investing, securing your financial future and building long-term wealth. Perhaps it's starting a business, pursuing your passion and creating something of your own. Without a plan, your money disappears. It vanishes into thin air, leaving you wondering where it all went. But with one, you build wealth intentionally, brick by brick, creating a solid foundation for your future. Think of your budget as a blueprint for your financial life, a detailed plan that guides you towards your goals. It lets you spend guilt-free on what you value, knowing that you've accounted for it in your plan, all the while building your future, securing your dreams, and creating the life you've always wanted. Take control, seize the reins of your financial destiny. Don't let your money control you. Be the master of your money and watch it work for you. Financial education never ends. The world of money is always changing. New tools, new opportunities. The most successful people keep learning, adapting, and growing. Don't stop at one video or book. Commit to lifelong learning. Read, listen, network, and stay curious. Your earning power grows with your knowledge. Stay humble, keep learning, and you'll always be ahead. Make learning about money a lifelong habit. Here's the most important truth. Knowledge means nothing without action. Don't just watch, do something today. Pick one thing, track your spending, open a savings account, research investments, brainstorm a passive income idea. Start small, but start now. Don't wait for the perfect moment or more money. Every day you delay is a missed opportunity for growth. You have the tools, now use them. Your financial future starts with today's decisions. Take action and make it count. The truth about money isn't always what schools teach, it's what you actively choose to learn and then do. Financial freedom is absolutely possible for anyone willing to take consistent action. You now have the solid foundation, mindset, investing, passive income, and a clear plan. If you found real value here, like and subscribe, and comment with your first step below. Let's build your bright financial future, starting right now.